In this video, we are going to share a prize pool of 200,000 US dollars. Yes, so this crypto airdrop is just amazing and it is very, very new. They started this crypto airdrop 23rd, I think, or 25th of April 2024, and we are in May. So that means this airdrop has not gone so far, right? So now this airdrop is called Quantoswap. It is just like Uniswap. Now, I know you are enjoying it and you want to continue. Before we continue, I want you to subscribe to this YouTube channel, all right, and also like this video and leave any comment at the comment section. All right, there's no time to waste. Let's get into it. Yes, so now let's get straight into it. So now, before I show you how you can join this airdrop, what we are going to do is we need to now find something about this airdrop. So now we need to go and find the tokenomics of this airdrop. All right, so this is the tokenomics of this airdrop. So I'm going to leave the link of this at the description down below. When I come to Quantoswap tokenomics, okay, and you can see this image over here. So we have farms and pools, which is 62.5%. Now the total supply is 100 million maximum supply, right? So we are going to get 62.5% out of this 100 million maximum supply. You get it? So make sure you get your seat in this. So we are going to use this, and you can also get the referral incentives for 6.5%. So they are going to give 6.5% of 100 million maximum supply to referral or to people that you refer, and their team is going to take only 12%, the marketing 10%, the operation 8%, Safu, I don't know what Safu is, 1%. So what we are going to focus is the farm/pools and the referral incentives, right? So that is the tokenomics. So now let's go and check the roadmap. So when I click here, roadmap over here, now we can see we have the roadmap. So there is an image. Yes, this is the image. So the second quarter of 2024, which was April 2024, they launched their pre-registration, which was last month. So now they exchanged their launch staking and restaking pools. They have opened it, and now we are at the farming pools opening. So now we need to do our farming. We are going to farm this pool. You understand? So after the farming of this pool, they are going to launch this token within the second quarter of 2024, and after that they will be expanding their partnership. They will be launching of property LST for ETH staking. They will do a lot of things for the third quarter. We have the fourth quarter as well. Okay, so now this project is a very massive project. All right, so that is it. So we are very early. Let's get into it. Right, now let me tell you one thing. Yes, so this project, within this short period of time, they have been able to gather 12.5k followers. That means you are still very, very early. All right, so now let's get into it. All right, so now click on join over here. All right, so now as you can see, this is task 1, task 2, and this is task 3. So when you do the task 2, then the task 3 will be opened for you. You understand? When you register, they are going to give you a welcome bonus of $1 or in QNS. So the token is called the KNS, and the network is Quantoswap. Okay, so they are going to give you $1 worth of QNS. All right, now get up to $1 in QNS when you refer someone. Okay, so whenever you refer one person, you are going to get up to $1 worth of QNS. All right. Then the best referral rewards. Okay, when you are one of the best referrals, you are going to get $50,000 worth of QNS, right? And also the Twitter reward, we are going to give the top 500 Twitters $25,000 in ETH, which is Ethereum. All right, if you're one of the top 500 Twitters, and I'm going to explain that, then when you tweet, okay, one, you are going to get $1 to $3 worth of QNS. So all you have to do is just click on connect wallet. Then you can use MetaMask, Wallet Connect, or Coinbase. I am going to use MetaMask, and I have showed you on this channel how to create a MetaMask wallet. So I'll leave the link at the description down below. So I am just going to click on the MetaMask. All right, so I'm going to click next. So now click connect. All right, so now we are done. So now let's get to the task 2, which is to connect to the Telegram bot, right? So just click here. All right, so I'm going to open it with my Telegram desktop app. All right, so now click on start. All right, so please log on to the website and insert your unique code. All right, so now let's get back to the website. All right, so now this is the unique code. So you just have to click on copy code back to Telegram bot. Then you have to send that code to the bot. Enter. All right, so well done, sir. So complete a few more steps to become a participant. All right, so what you are going to do is you are going to join their Quantoswap news channel and also join the Quantoswap group. All right, so just click on the first link. All right, so now click on join channel. All right, so then go back, then click on the second link, then click on join group. All right, so we have joined this group as well. Okay, so you can communicate in the group. All right, so back here, then click on check. All right, so congrats, you got 0.1 Q&A sign up bonus. To check your referral balance, please head up to the Quanto site. Okay, so that is it. So that is all. So if you want the welcome bonus condition, you just have to click here. Then they will tell you about their condition. So you will receive $1 in QNS if you have transaction with any token from the list below. Okay, so if you have made any transaction with these tokens, then you can get $1 worth of QNS. All right, so now let's head back to the website. You just have to refresh this website for this task to be marked as completed. All right, so now as you can see, so now when I click on connect Twitter, okay, which is the third task, right? All right, so click on authorize app, and that is it. Scroll down. All right, so now all you have to do is just click on the tweet over here. So I'm going to click on that. All right, so click on sign in. So you can see, congratulations, you won 1.59 in KNS. Make tweet and win up to $3 in KNS daily, right? So I'm going to close this. So now we have completed the task. You can see it is now blank and we have another day to do it. All right, so this is the remaining tweet that we need to tweet, you understand, and this is the used one. So that means you are not late, you still have more tweet to tweet. All right, so I'll leave the link of this airdrop at the description down below, and also in my Telegram channel. You can also follow me on Twitter, as I keep on posting updates and news on my Telegram channel. Right, we are not done, there is more to do. All right, so what we are going to do right now is we are going to check their Twitter account. All right, yeah, so when you go, make sure you follow me. So I'll leave my link at the description. Back to Twitter. This project isn't a small project, right? So you need to be very fast in joining this project, right? So that is it. So you can see we have this is the pool that we are doing. So this is the join the global event, okay, and we are going to share $200,000 in QNS, right? So this is the pool. Now when you come to this one, this is a Zilly quest, okay, and you can do this Zilly quest as well. And this Zilly quest, you are going to share $2,000 in QNS. All right, so now you need to join. So all you have to do is just click here. So I'm going to leave the link of this Zilly project at the description down below. So go and click on that and you will be redirected to this quest, right? I'm going to connect to Zilly now. I'm going to click on login because I have an account already. Log in with my Discord. So authorize. Yes, so this is my account, right? So now you click on join Quantoswap over here. I'm going to click on that. All right, so done. So I'm going to click on Twitter follow. Done. Follow.
and I have already followed them, so I'm just going to click on follow anyway. Okay, and I'm going to click on claim. Then when you check at this, I have moved to level 2. Okay, so quest completed. We have moved to the next quest, which is to join the Telegram channel, right? So we have already done so, right? Yes, but whatever, just click on that. So you can see we have already joined in the start of the video, right? So we are going back to click on the claim, and you can see quest completed. All right, so you can join their chat as well, which is their group. Okay, so as you can see in the level 2, I have 100 points, right? So when I move to 400 points, I'll go to level 3. Okay, so that is the Zilly quest. Now let's go back to the Twitter account, because we have other pool that you can join. All right, so when I scroll down, okay, when I scroll down, this is Zilly. Okay, scroll down, so we have task on, okay, and we have the quest end campaign, right? So you can join. They have 4 quests, okay, the 4 pool. So they have 4 pool. We have the global event, the Zilly sprint, you have the quest end campaign, and you have the task on campaign, right? So what we did was the Zilly sprint, right? So let's go down. Okay, so now this is the task on, right? So I'm going to click on all, and you're going to see rewards dot task on. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to leave the link of this at the description down below. So I need to log into my task on account. I use my MetaMask, so you can create an account with task on using your MetaMask wallet. All right, so click sign in. All right, so this is the task on quest. All right, so this is the same thing that you're going to do. All you have to do is just have to click on that. Okay, going to follow their Twitter handle, so click on follow, and that's all. Okay, then also click on here. You need to tweet and tag 3 friends, right? So I'm going to tag 3 of my friends. Quote this and tweet. Okay, so we are going to tweet, and I've added 3 of my friends, so I'm going to click on post, and now that's it. Okay, this is the post, right? Yes, so now we are done with this quest. I'm going to click on verify all. So as you can see, it has been checked. So now this quest has been verified, right? So you can continue doing the rest of the quest. Okay, joining their Discord, joining their, yes, this is Discord only, and that's all, right? So we are complete. So when you are done, 20 USDT of this BNB chain will be given to the first 100 units. So just try and be in it. Okay, so there's 12 days left. So now back to their Twitter handle once again. Back again. So let's go and see if you can see the quest end. So this is global. So this is the quest end campaign, right? So you can join our campaign on the popular web3 platform to win. So I'm going to click on show more, and this is the quest. I'm going to open it. So I'll leave the link of this also at the description down below if you want to join the quest end. Okay, it is not compulsory to be doing that, but when you are able to win these 3 in addition to the global event, my guy, you have decent amount of keyness, and you are going to be a millionaire, right? So this is the quest end pool tax, right? So I'm going to click to connect my MetaMask wallet, sign in, and that's it. All right, so we have only 9 days to participate in this pool, right? It's just the same thing. Okay, you just have to follow them, you have to quote, join the Discord, Telegram, and that's all, and you complete this task. Okay, and also wait to see if you can stand a chance of joining the 20 USDT. All right, for everyone. Okay, yes, for everyone. So I'm going to click on follow over here. I know I've already followed, right? So just click on this, because this is what they are going to use to track, right? So I'm going to click on that, and it has been followed, right? I'm going to close this and click on verify, and you can see, okay, said approve, X account has expired, please connect your X account again. Okay, so I'm going to connect my X account again, then click on authorize app. So now click on verify. Okay, so if it doesn't work, follow the procedure once again. Follow the account. Okay, follow back and click on verify. Okay, so wait for a while, then you click on verify. So wait for this to drop down. All right, so now click on verify once again. Wow, so you can see it has been completed, right? So you can follow to complete the rest of it. After that, you have to click here, claim reward. The same applies to the tax on. When you finish, click on complete. Make sure you click on verify to verify, or before you click on complete. All right, so that is it. Please subscribe if you want future airdrops, and like this video if you're enjoying it. If you have any question, any suggestion, leave it at the comment section. All right, so if you have any airdrop that you want me to create video about, just leave it at the comment section. So join my Telegram channel and also follow me on Twitter. So let's meet in the next video. Goodbye.